Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we solved question number 2 related with exercise number 7.1 related with chapter number 7, Trigonometry class 10 Mathematics. So, the question was related with the conversion of a given degree from decimal form to the DMS form. DMS means degree, minute and second. In today's video, I am going to solve the next question of the same exercise number 7.1 related with the conversion of angle from radian to degrees. So there are total part in question. There are total 4 part in question number 3. So let's move toward question number 3. It tells that convert the following radian measures of angles into the measure of degrees. So the first part is 2 radian. So let's suppose this is a semicircle. Let's suppose this is the midpoint of this line segment, and let's suppose I draw perpendicular from over here to this circumference. So you know that this is actually the perpendicular and this is the line. So when one line is perpendicular to the another line, then it makes an angle of 90 degree. Same logic will apply over here. It also makes 90 degree. So when 90 add with 90, it gives us 180 degree. And 180 degree is actually equal to pi radian. So remember this formula that pi radian will always be equal to 180 degree. So in the given question we have 2 radian, we will convert it into a degree. So from over here we will divide both sides with pi. So on this side pi will cancel out with pi, we are left with 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by 5, 180 degree divided by 5. So now over here using this condition, 1 radian solution, 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by 5. Now in the given question we have 2 radian, so multiply 2 radian to the multiply 2 to the both sides. So on this side we left with 2 radian is equal to, on this side we left with 2 multiply 180 degree divided by 5. You know that pi is actually equal to 3.14. The exact value of pi is 22 divided by 7. When we divide 22 by 7, it gives us a value nearly equal to the approximate value is 3.14. So now the result will be 2 radian will be equal to, it gives us out 180 multiplied 2 gives us 360 degree divided by 3.14. So when we divide 360 with 3.14, it will give us the result of 114.6 degree. So it means that in the degree the value of 2 radian is equal to 114.6 degree. So this is the required degree form for the 2 radian. Now move to the second part of question number 3. It tells that convert 5 pi by 3 radian into the degree. So using this condition, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Solution: pi radian will always be equal to 180 degree. Now in the given question we have 5 pi by 3. So over here pi is present already. So we will multiply 5 to the both side. 5 pi, it becomes 5 pi radian. And on this side we left with 180 degree multiply 5. Now over here in the division we have 3, so divide both sides with 3, so it becomes pi by 3 radian, and L will always equal to 180 divided by 3. So on this side we left with 5 pi by 3 radian will be equal to 180 divided by 3, it gives us a value 60. So 60 multiply 5 gives us 300. So it means that 5 pi by 3 radian in case of degree is equal to 300 degree. So this is actually the required and desired answer for the part number B. Now move towards the part number 3 related with the same question number 3. Convert 5 by 6 radian into the degree. Using the formula, move towards solution. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So over here in the given question we have pi by 6. So it means that we will just divide pi with 6 on the both side. So on this side we left with pi by 6 radian is equal to 180 divided by 6. It gives us 30 degree. So it means that pi by 6 radian is equal to 30 degree. This is the required and desired answer. Now move to the last part of today's lecture and the last part of question number 3. Convert minus 3 pi by 4 radian into the degree. So using the relation, move towards solution of part number 4. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Now over here in the given question we have negative 3 pi by 4. So first of all I multiply minus 3 to the both sides. So on this side we left with minus 3 pi radian, and on this side I multiply minus 3 into 180 degree. Now after this, in the division we have 4, so it means that we will divide both sides with 4, so we will get the required answer. So on this side we left with minus 3 pi by 4 radian, and on the right hand side this 180 divided by 4, you know that it will give us a value 45, and 45 multiply 3 will give us 135 degree. But do not forget the negative sign. The negative sign will come down as it is, and the simplification of 3 multiply 180 by 4, it will give us 135 degree. So it means that minus 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 135 degree. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about mathematics. Thank you.